Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to add admin on Facebook Ads Manager. So first, go to Ads Manager. At the left corner, click the three lines. Under the All Tools, click for Add Account Settings. In this page, you will see the admin on this account. So click the Add Account. Then enter a friend who you want to add admin. Then in this side, you will click the role what you want to your friend. After that, click confirm. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!